Hi, friends. I hope that you had a good Canadian Thanksgiving. Those of you that are in this country, I offered myself a total unplug weekend, which was wonderful. Family time, making soup, sister time, strolling the new community. It was really good. These are the things that life is all about. And, well, this time I didn't have any difficulty in unplugging at all. But you know, sometimes I do. And maybe you do. In fact, I had a conversation with a friend the other day who was just kind of giving me a sense that they are having a bit of a difficult time with just not doing. After a very productive doing style profession, now retired, typically a very active person, very engaged with life, you know, projects on the go. Well, now a new chapter, and one which is offering simply unplugging and being. And interestingly, this person is having a hard time just being. I had a chance to share with that person who means the world to me about how, you know, those of us that are really built in a similar way to me and that person that are just really highly effective, really strong, organized, productive individuals, possibly even helpers out in the community, you know, for years and years upon years, that it can actually be a little bit tricky to learn how to simply go beyond the measurement of productivity as the okayness of life. I mentioned to this person how, you know, in our North American, I think it's fair to say North American lifestyle, we're really built in such a way that yeah, there's lots to do. We're very outward focused, and we kind of have to be in lots of ways. And we make our way through our work, our families, you know, one chapter after the other, maybe helping elders in their elder years. So it becomes a default style to just be in that doing and productivity kind of mode. But, you know, we're not built to sustain that outward doing all the time. And in fact, we need downtime. We need total unplugged time to rest, to restore, to renew, to simply pause and think and feel into our hearts and our lives and just be. I like to make be with a capital B. That it really is, you know, as different than the doing world. It's like, how can I invite myself to simply be? Anyways, my little notion today, yeah, around just inviting you to consider, you know, are you measuring your life by how much you get done at the end of the day or through the day? Do you offer yourself downtime, like just truly unplugged time? Well, I'm learning, and I'm experimenting more and more, and well, I hope you will too. These unplugged times truly are necessary, and they just become so rich. So, well, there's my little self-care thought for the day. Stay well until I see you next.